different times,
You have what?
I got 3 cameras. At different times, they are being disconnected from the office, but they could all connect into the intercom system.
The internet?
Intercom system, when you get into the lobby, you press 314 to get into me to open the door so you can come in.
Okay.
Well, my system hasn't been working for years, go to see the office and so I bought those today. I had to,
But okay.
yeah, I know.
But I'm on the mice.
Okay,
What? You brought them so that I would believe you.
yeah.
Okay.
This isn't your average courtroom drama days case. Comes with shocking evidence, literally bagged and carried inside. Dead mice, droppings, and dirty filters take center stage as judge fights to keep control. Get ready for jaw-dropping moments. Subscribe, like, and share if you love wild courtroom breakdowns like this one.
Court does call the case of Town Center Place versus Singrid Melvin. Pardon?
You might be asking me about it.
Oh, Miss Melvin? Come on. She's gonna need equipment. Okay, can you hear me, Miss Melvin?
Yes.
Okay, so state your name.
Sigmund Melvin.
Okay, so a couple of things before we can begin.
Yeah.
You brought some things with you today.
Yes.
Okay. I was informed that you brought some things, and I just need you to confirm. Did you bring, like 2 dead mice?
Yes. And 2 pounds of dead poop. And
2 pounds?
And 2 filters from the heating unit that the management team doesn't replace, and I have to do it myself.
Okay, so let me ask you this, because my understanding is that those items are still in our building.
Yeah.
It's called a proffer, but can you tell me why you brought them?
On the 27th of July, I was sitting having my morning coffee, and there was a little gray object in front of my apartment door. When I went over closer, it was a mouse, a live mouse. So I used my metal garbage waste basket and covered it. I called the office twice, but nobody answered, so I had to go downstairs, and the maintenance man came up and took the mouse out. Well,
Oh, go ahead.
I talked to the neighbors and I said, no, you have mice in your apartment. Well, I didn't know I had mice in my apartment. So let's start looking.
Okay. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
So you would be able to tell me all of that. Is there a reason why you brought these deceased mice
Well,
here?
so you would believe me, you know.
Okay, but my staff went out and said that you could take a picture, but you said for some reason that the picture wouldn't do.
Well, I got 3 cameras. And different times,
You have what?
I got 3 cameras. And at different times, they are being disconnected from the office. But they could all connect into the intercom system.
The internet?
Intercom system, when you get into the lobby, you press 314 to get into me to open the door so you can come in.
Okay.
Well, my system hasn't been working for years, courtesy of the office, and so I bought those today. I have to,
But, okay,
yeah, I know.
but I'm on the mice.
Okay,
What? You brought them so that I would believe you.
yeah.
Okay.
Because I didn't know, you needed the evidence or just.
Right, but then my staff said, well, why don't you take pictures? And you said you can't, so is it that you can't take a picture?
I know, the fact that they're not connected. Right now, I had to go out and buy a new phone so I could call for a cab so I could come here today. Because the office disconnects everything.
Okay, so ma'am, you,
Yeah, I know. Well, here-
so you could take a picture of these mice and the poop.
well,
I guess it's probably a better word, but
I'm still kind of shocked that I have mice in my apartment. And I'm still,
okay,
the pest control comes, but they don't remove the mice. So I would have to pick them out.
okay, so let me ask you this. Besides the mice and you said 2 pounds of,
Yeah,
okay, besides that, what else is in the bag?
just the dirty filters from the air conditioning unit, because they don't come and replace them. So I have to go out and buy my own and do it my own, and I've been doing that for over 10 years.
Okay. So, and that's the reason that you brought it all, so that you would tell me that and then I'd believe you.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I need you to do. I have to get those things out of this building. Those have to get out of this
Oh,
building.
yeah, sure. I take my right out and put them in the garage.
Okay, so,
You want me to do it?
oh, I'm not doing it. So you're gonna,
Just tell me where the trash man is and I take it over there.
okay, but hold on a second. I take it, Counselor, you've not seen the mice.
Oh, I've seen pictures of the dead mice that she's left in the mailbox for my client, but yeah, I've definitely.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
so I know.
You know,
the dead
no,
mice,
but
But I didn't see them as.
you watched my day, really?
I
So,
got everything. It's not my fault.
so,
And I can't,
these particular mice,
I don't need to see them, Your Honor. No, thank you.
all right, and just
You may.
as well as their, and I'm presuming they're friends, because that's a lot. The droppings you don't need to see.
I'm sure I know.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
What about the filters?
What do
What I need,
The filters.
Oh, that's okay, so.
What's okay?
but Your Honor, the filters aren't an issue, so I don't really.
Right.
Okay.
But if she raises something about the filters, which I'm not clear what that is,
Right.
do you see a need why I would need to see the filters? No?
Do
And-
you?
I have no clue today.
Same.
Okay, so,
Your Honor, in regards to the filters,
yeah, so I think they're all together in one bag.
Yeah,
So, yeah, but, so, what I'm going to tell you to do is you're going to have to get that bag out of this building.
Okay,
Okay? So I'm going to give you a chance to do that. I'm going to let you take the mice, their droppings, and also the filters. If for whatever reason they come up, I'll figure it out.
okay, which way to the trash can?
I'm not going to debate their existence, Your Honor. I waive that.
Thank you. All right, that's really what I needed from you.
Yeah.
All right, so you go out. We'll have somebody show you where you should dispose of them because I don't want you just to put them in a trash can in the building.
Well, they are in containers and are sealed, so, okay.
They're,
Okay, which way?
what they're in I don't even want to know. Just, they'll show you where to go outside of the building. They'll show you where the dumpster is.
Okay,
Okay? So you go do that. We'll be here. When you come back, we'll. Oh my God.
I know you heard.
Court stands in recess. Take me off.
What a bizarre showdown judge forced the defendant to haul out her bag of mice, droppings, and filters before resuming court. An unforgettable example of justice colliding with chaos. What's your verdict evidence or over-the-top stunt? Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories that prove truth is stranger than fiction.